The first question is, what snack is commonly eaten after a Chinese dinner? The correct answer is D, fortune cookies. Question 2. Which state produces 89% of all wine produced in the U.S.? The correct answer is C, California. Question 3. Corned beef and what vegetable are a traditional St. Patrick's Day meal? The correct answer is B, cabbage. Question 4. Chioggia beets are also known as bullseye beets, but because they are striped, they're also named for what Christmas treat? The correct answer is B, candy cane. Question 5. Ensalada de fruta is included in which cuisine? The correct answer is B, Mexican. Question 6. Of the following, which is a term referring to the melting and cooling of chocolate to make candies? The correct answer is C, tempering. Question 7. And it's grown there too. What fruit juice do you add to vodka to get a Cape Codder? The correct answer is D, cranberry juice. Question 8. The logo for what beer depicts the word 1759 and a harp? The correct answer is B, Guinness. Question 9. When it was introduced in 1952 until the 1980s, what word was part of the name of Kellogg's Frosted Flakes? The correct answer is B, sugar. And the last question is, what Wendy's founder got his GED in the 1990s, took his wife to the prom, and was voted most likely to succeed? The correct answer is D. Dave Thomas, I hope you enjoyed this quiz, and make sure to share your score in the comments.
Please subscribe and press the bell to get notified about our newest quizzes.